guys, now the sequentially hacker what will do, guys, if he gets the shell access, first he will enter present working directory, and then he will let know the list of all, and then he can see these contents directly, right? If he has seen here. Now if you want to know what all the contents in this particular file, what is the next command he will be executing, guys? Cat. I don't know what is the abbreviation for cat. I just remembered, guys, from before. So, like, no, I might put some sensitive information in that. No, guys. Okay, let's try like cat hide.txt. If it will be showing the list. Okay, that's not a big deal. Okay, so it is showing all the contents in this, guys. So cat space. That's all. In like just like opening the notepad, when we double click on the notepad, it will be open, right? Here it is showing on the console, or else I could say type command in Windows is similar to cat in Linux. So if you are Linux user, again, don't get confused why type is used. So just in order to avoid the confusion, cat is used to display the contents of the file. Now why hacker will use the cat command? Let's say if your web application is vulnerable to command injection, if he wants to see the application source code, then he will use the cat command, cat space db dot like config to see the database credentials, or else like cat space hello.db to see the database credentials. Yes, guys, database file can also contents can also be seen using the cat command. And also the php code, source code, cat space index.php, it will be showing the complete application source code, guys. So cat is most essential for a hacker to know the content. So if he has got a shell access, he can also see your passwords in cat etc. Pass password file, usernames will be seen, and the passwords will be seen in cat etc. shadow file. So these are the important parts, 5 parts which I told, guys. Very important, etc. password, cat space etc. password will be having the usernames, etc. shadow will be having the passwords in encrypted format, but hacker can also crack that. And as I told you, like, he can see the web application. Let's say if it is a php code, he can see, and he can see the database credentials, user database username and password which is used to connect to the database can be seen, and also the username passwords which are stored in the database can also be seen with the cat command, guys. Wow, meow.